Hey, good morning. Good morning. It's me, Camille Tyler from Camille Tyler Coaching. I am the owner and creator of Rock Your Biz Academy, where I love to give simple step by step instructions to help you build the business of your dreams online. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. So, today's morning market minute is to tell your story. All right. Okay. So, success is packed with tons of pain and struggle. So you have to start telling your story, okay? People are looking for leadership. People are looking for someone to relate to, okay? And by sharing your story, you will begin to start impacting others, people that you can relate to. So you need to share your story. You can do this in a post. You can do this in Messenger. You can do this by putting yourself out there. Okay. You now that success isn't perfect, and good and success is a little bit messy. So don't worry about it. You need to tell your story because people buy from people they know and they like and they trust. So it is important always to share your story. Okay. Energy is packed with every success story is packed with struggle and pain. So your story should make someone want to cry, okay? People buy from people they know, like, and trust. So remember, tell your story today because people will be attracted to you because by putting out the right vibe, people will find you and you can find your perfect tribe. All right? So take care for now. And remember, today, you need to share your story. So I'll look forward to seeing your story. Take care for now. Remember, I got you. I want to help you rock your biz. See ya. Bye.